Popping a wheelie on the train. You're leaning, baby. Stabilize yourself. There you go.
Ow.
Huh?
You ran over my toe.
She ran over your toe. She's steering it. You ever hear a train make that noise before?
Say no. What the hell, Brad? You're gonna scar her for
No,
life.
I'm gonna desensitize her to that so that when she gets attacked by chickens, she's not afraid and she's able to fight for her life. So you use some skill.
You're insane.
I'm not good at making train noises.
Obviously. If you put it to train mode, it makes the noises.
Thought it was on train mode. It's on train mode.
Okay, then it's doing songs then. Letty had a little dog that was a push and it would make noise and it sung the entire time she was being pushed around. And I knew that freaking thing in order. I appreciate that it does a lot of different sounds instead of just a few.
Yeah, that was fun, huh?
She's not done yet.
You're not done yet? You want it to go more? Say.